Today I'm sharing my go-to chicken recipe for hosting guests. It's very simple, juicy, and full of flavor. My family and friends always enjoy it. Hi everyone, welcome back to Leaders Cooking Hacks. Let's get started. If the chicken is frozen, store it in the fridge overnight. This will help the chicken to cook evenly and safely. I like making my own seasoning blend. You know why? With that, I know exactly what goes into my food. Mix your favorite seasonings and spices. Season the chicken very well. Chicken has a mild taste. Good seasoning makes a big difference. Okay? Coat every piece evenly. Let it marinate so the flavors soak in. Spray a little oil on the baking pan or wash the chicken with little oil. This keeps the chicken from sticking and also helps the chicken moist. Sprinkle some lemon juice to balance the flavor. Don't forget to place the chicken on the pan. Roast at 375 degree and then flip the chicken halfway through cooking. This helps both sides to brown evenly. Keep roasting until the chicken is fully cooked and golden. I am already salivating. This is why I always make it when I am hosting guests. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to Leaders Cooking Hacks. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Leave a comment below. How do you season your chicken? Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Happy cooking!